Okay, I believe this is one that you had a question on. And so if we're trying to choose classes, you need to write down the total number of classes that you can choose from each option. So for English, we have Freshman English and Writing 101, so that's 2 options. For math, we have College Algebra, Business Math, Advanced Algebra, and Statistics, so that's 4. And then for science, we have biology, astronomy, physical science, and earth science. So that's 4 options as well. And then social studies, we have 1, 2, 3 options. If you multiply all of those together, then you get 96 different options. All right, here's another one that you had a question on. How many different radio station names are possible if we choose 4 or 5 letters? So you're going to need to do each of the options. So 4 letters and then 5 letters. And remember, the first one can only have 2 letters, a W or a K for both of those. And then all the others can be any letter from the alphabet. So 26 for each of the others. Okay, and then you're going to multiply those together. So the first one, 2 times 26 times 26 times 26. This comes out to be 35,152 options. And then the second one comes out to be 913,952. And then we would want to add those together since it's consisting of 4 or 5 letters. And you want to add those together. And that gives you a total of 949,104 options. All right, and these last two, a team of 17 volleyball players needs to choose 3. And so this would be, because the order does not matter, those 3 players are not going to be assigned a specific position. And so this is a combination. So you're going to enter the total 17, combination, choose 3. So on your calculator, remember you can go to math, scroll over to PRB, and then number 3 is the combination. But remember, you need to type in the 17 first. And then you can type in the 3. And you get 680 ways. And then the last one, Hamburgers R Us offers 8 toppings on its made-to-order burgers. You can order plain or any combination of toppings. So that gives you a total type of toppings as 9, because plain has to be considered a topping. And so this would be 2 to the 9th power, which comes out to be sorry, my calculator is giving me business. This would be 2 to the 9th power, which is 512. All right, I hope that helped you. Good luck today, and again, I apologize for being out.